Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Data Driven Consult. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use conditional formatting to highlight alternate rows in Excel. So we have a table here, and for visibility sake, you might want to highlight alternate rows. So you leave this plain white. Maybe we want to do this blue, we leave this, and then we go here, do it another blue, like that. Sometimes you will be tempted to do this manually like this. But this will take a lot of time to complete. Just imagine you have a big data set, a very large table to work with. This will be very difficult to do. Today I'll show you how to do this with conditional formatting. Let's go. Select the whole table except the column headers. Go to conditional formatting, new rules. Under new rules, select the last option, that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula bar, type equals to ISODD, bracket open, row, close parenthesis. Click format. Go to fill and select the colors you want to use. We'll go with this light blue. OK, and press OK. And here you are. All our rows have been highlighted. Simple. What happened was that we use ISEVEN. Because we use ISEVEN, the even number rows were highlighted. So we started from 3, then to 5, 7, 9, etc. So now let's use ISEVEN and see what will happen. Let's undo this. So now we select the whole table, conditional formatting again, new rules, use a formula, and then let's write our formula equals to, this time we'll go with ISEVEN row and bracket close. Let's select our color. OK, press OK, and yes, now the rows are highlighted according to even numbers. So it started from 4, 6, 8, etc. So this is how to highlight alternate rows in Excel. Very simple. Don't do this manually anymore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.